Short selling? It sounds complicated, but it's actually one of the most fascinating ways to make money in the stock market, especially when prices fall instead of rise. In simple terms, short selling is a strategy where investors try to profit from a stock's decline in value. Imagine this. You borrow shares of a company from a broker and immediately sell them at the current market price. You're hoping the stock price will drop soon, so you can buy those same shares back at a lower price. Return them to the broker, and keep the difference as profit. For example, if you borrow 10 shares of a company priced at £100 each and sell them for £1,000, and later the price drops to £70 per share, you can buy them back for £700, return them to your broker, and pocket a £300 profit, minus fees and interest. It's basically betting that a stock will go down instead of up. But here's where it gets risky. While a stock can only fall to zero, there's no limit to how high it can rise. If that same £100 stock jumps to £150 instead of falling, you'd have to buy back those shares for £1,500, losing £500 in the process. This means your potential losses in short selling are theoretically unlimited, which is why it's considered one of the riskiest strategies in investing. Big hedge funds often use short selling as part of their strategy, not just to bet against companies, but also to hedge against losses in their other positions. One of the most famous examples was the GameStop short squeeze in 2021, when retail investors on Reddit noticed that large institutions had heavily shorted GameStop stock. They started buying shares en masse, driving the price up dramatically and forcing short sellers to buy back shares at much higher prices, losing billions of dollars in the process. In the UK, short selling is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority (FCA), and investors must follow strict rules to disclose large short positions and prevent market manipulation. While some critics say short selling is unethical because it profits from a company's failure, others argue that it plays a vital role in keeping markets efficient by exposing overvalued or fraudulent businesses. For individual investors, short selling can be done through margin accounts, options like put contracts, or exchange-traded funds ETFs that move inversely to the market. However, it's crucial to remember that this strategy is not for beginners. The volatility and leverage involved mean even a small market move in the wrong direction can result in major losses. In short, short selling is a higher-risk, higher-reward investment technique that allows traders to profit when stock prices drop. It requires careful timing, a deep understanding of market trends, and a strong stomach for risk. Most successful short sellers don't just guess, they research companies thoroughly. Look for warning signs like debt, declining revenue, or overvaluation, and act decisively. If you're new to investing, it's better to start by understanding how short selling works before trying it. After all, in the world of finance, it's not just about making money, it's about managing risk wisely.